Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to those watching on onespotmedia.com. It has been a bloody holiday period with 7 road fatalities since August 1. This has forced the traffic police to amplify calls for motorists to be more careful on the road. In an accident last night, at least 25 passengers on a JUTC bus suffered minor injuries when the bus overturned in a ditch. TVJ's Kalisha Williams has details.
2 major national holidays in the first 2 weeks of August. Twice the fun, but lots of trauma. According to the traffic police, speeding has been the main reason for the 7 road fatalities since August 1.
We want for persons to enjoy the holiday and to enjoy it in a responsible way. And we have seen, whilst we have lost 7 lives since the start of August, or might I say since the start of the Independence celebration, about 3 or so have been single vehicle collisions.
On Sunday night, at least 25 persons received minor injuries after a Jamaica Urban Transit Company JUTC bus overturned in Monique, St. Anne. Head of the JCF Highway and Traffic Division, Senior Superintendent Calvin Allen, told the TVJ News that the passengers work at the JUTC. 6 persons remain in hospital.
I learned it's a single vehicle collision, and the driver, I learned, was trying to avoid a collision with another vehicle when he swerved and seemed to have lost control of the vehicle.
Up to news time, the driver of the bus did not report to the St. Anne police. SSP Allen could not say whether the driver fled the scene.
They are still trying to locate the driver, and I don't know if at this point they have now found him, but when I last spoke with our traffic officer in St. Anne, they were still not able to locate the driver of the JUTC bus.
Is it that he fled the scene?
I cannot say at this point. The investigation is still very fresh.
Yesterday's incident comes 24 hours after a deadly crash in Negril, Westmoreland. 1 man was killed after being struck from his motorcycle. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.